Hey guys, it's Pete Vance here with Broce Broom. So today we're going to be doing the work light install aftermarket on the 350 Broom. So here's your lighting kit. This is either going to be a standard part number 4310 or the LED, which is 4494. And all that will be in the description below. So what's going to come with it, you got your wires, your lights, your dashboard switch, fuse, crimps and bushings and all that. So let's go ahead and do one of these lights real quick. And then we'll come back over to talk about the wiring. Okay, so here we are on the back of the cab. So with the work lights, you got two sets, the side and the rear. So right here you can see the rear lights are going to go in here and here, and the side are going to be right here and then on the other side. The only distinguishing thing is the side lights are going to be the blue wire, and the back lights are going to be the gray wire. So right now we're going to do one of the side. And these all go in the exact same way. It's real simple. So just grab your light, take off your nut and everything, and you can put this right in here. If you lean it down, it should hold like that. And come around inside. And as you can see, the holes are already going to be pre-drilled, and they're just these little spacers that are in there. Okay, now I got it on most of the way. Grab whatever you need to finish tightening it. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to grab the wire right here. Make sure it's stripped. Put your bushing on. And then just put it right down there. Okay, there we go. The wire goes through. So now this is all done. We got our light installed and we got our wire through. Just make sure that bushing's nice and tightly seated so there's no chafing on that wire. Okay, so now we're inside the cab. We're just going to grab our black wire that's coming from the light from the outside, and then remember on the side lights it's the blue wire. And then here you can see the gray wire is also here. That's going to come from if you're doing the back. So first we're just going to crimp the light wire. And then put it right in there in the connector. Okay, so now that we have our lights installed up on the cab, we're going to come inside to put the switch in and do the wiring. So if you see right here on our dash, you have two symbols. These are the side lights, and this is the rear lights. So we're doing the side ones again. So remember here, there's going to be a hole cut out in the metal right behind here, but not on the decal. So you just want to take a knife or a razor blade or whatever and just cut that circle out. You can feel it right there. And then if you're doing the rear again, that one's right here. So then you're going to open up the side panel of the dash, and you're get inside and just install this button right here. And then we're going to do some wiring inside, but we're going to go show you that outside on the table. So now we're just going to show you the wiring inside the dashboard, but out here where it's a little easier to see. So you're going to have, again, your switch plugged in that we've just installed, hanging down like this. Now inside the dash, you're going to see two hanging wires, one gray and one blue. Remember, that's the side and rear lights, so the blue one is going to be for the side, the gray one is for the rear. So on this, we're doing the side lights. We're going to find the blue hanging wire, and then we're going to grab the extra blue wire that comes in your kit to complete the circuit. So that first one, the one that's hanging loose in the dash, We're just going to bring it up and attach it to one of these points right up here on the switch. And then your extra wire, you're going to grab and attach it to the other point on your switch. Just right like that. Tighten it down. And then this comes around, so this is in your dashboard, this wire comes around to the back of the dash where your fuse box is going to be installed. And you're going to find either the 15 or the 16 slot. 16 for the rear light, or for the side lights, and 15 for the rear lights. So we're going to find 16 right here. We're going to slide this in the back. And then you're done. You can close up the side panel, and you're going to come around, and your very last step is installing your 10 amp fuse into your 16 slot. And that's it. You now have your side work lights installed, and basically the exact same process for the rear lights. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, everything will be linked in the description, parts numbers, and pictures and all that kind of stuff. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.